Right, hello everybody. Been a little while. I've been busy on my Jeep again. Had a few issues and trying to sort them out. Thought I had a tappet problem and I took the engine out and stripped it all down. Couldn't find anything wrong, so I put it back together. It's got to go back in the Jeep, but it's been horrible and raining. Anyway, the other day I was given a few amateur radio antennas and stuff, and the bottom of this one antenna was aluminium. It all corroded and fallen apart. That's the base bit that goes in there. So what I'm doing is I'm making a new aluminium base for it. So that's what I'm doing in the shed. I've just started. That's just that, you can see the idea. That thing goes in there like that. Well, I'll take that off actually. I won't need that. That will go in there for the cable to come on, and then that piece goes in there. So. And then this is the actual antenna part of it, goes inside. So I'm just roughing out the shape on some aluminium bar stock, so I'll bring you into the other shed and show you there. Cheers. There's my engine waiting to go back in, all stripped and checked, and can't find anything wrong with it. I thought I'd got a tappet issue, quite a bad one, but it isn't. It's fine. I cannot find anything wrong, so I'll put new head gaskets and everything on, and I'll stick it back in the Jeep when it's dry, hopefully tomorrow, and get it going again. Anyway, here we go. This is my little, I can't see that very well, drawing. It's upside down, and just roughing the shape out with some bar stock. So we'll put you up on the thing. Going steamy in here. Right. Bloody aluminium, crappy stuff. Get off. Horrible stuff. Crush all that down and squeeze it together and put it back in the melting pot. We've got a lot of it. Right, what are we doing? Can't remember what we're aiming for now. 32. 39.2. So we've still got just over 7 to go. Stringy bloody stuff. Right, I think what I'll do now is I'll part it off and turn it round. Easier to work on. flash the camera about. Bit higher. Right. Take that bit out now. Save that for a rainy day. Right. Take that down to the right size and then we'll go in the other shed and bore it out on the smaller lathe. Right, I'll see you shortly. Cheers. Right, that might make a bit more sense now. That bit goes on there. Perfect. And then that bit, it's got to be bored out to fit that in there. So that goes down to there. And then I've got to take that plug off the end and bore that to fit that plug in the end there. And then that will join to the antenna. So that's the cunning plan. So right, we'll get on with that. What do we want? We want oh god, that's a strange size. 15, oh I'm on the flat, that's why. Right, there's a flat on it. So that's a 16 1.5 by the look of it. So if I bore that out 14 to start with, that should be good. Right, bring it over here a bit. I'll do 14 on that side first. With my manangle drill. We only want to go in. That doesn't matter, does it? Because it's bigger the other side, so we can go all the way through with that. Tiny bit more. Oh, I can do that on the other side. Right. What I want to put in there is a very large tap. Right, try and get a bit of purchase on this. Come down on the speed and go to jog. Ah, you bugger. Give that a tap. That's more than enough. perfect, absolutely perfect. There you go. On focus. Then the wire will go all the way through, and that's now got to be bored out for the fiberglass part. Okay, we can go back and go through with what we got. What is that anyway? 19. Let's go through with the 19. I'll figure out. We don't need to go too far. We only need to go 33. We'll bring that back to 10. This is a 19mm drill. Right, I'll just finish drilling that and I'll bring you back in a bit. Right, okay, that's 24.8, 25. That'll be glued in with araldite or something. Now I've got, yeah, that worked out well, 19. So I've got to get 6mm out of there. So find a boring bar. Wants to be a tiny bit longer. I got the wrong one. To there exactly. Perfect. What I've done is I've just set the boring bar to the side, and I've just got to go in that deep now. don't like about this lady, you go, why in the bloody handle? That one, the crossfeed's alright, but right. So I want 6 mil. That's 1, 2. Oh, nice. Oh, lovely. Right, let's see where we are. That's 20, almost 22. Oh, I didn't mean to turn that. I did reset that there. Right, 1, 2. More squealing. Lots of squealing. Twenty-three 7. 23 7. clean the end off now. That bloody that won't disengage properly, that damn thing. The feed nut, that's a horrible thing. It never wants to engage or disengage properly. Bloody thing. At least I haven't ruined it. Right, 25 and a tiny bit, so that might. Ah, perfect fit. Just enough room for the goo and the glue. Right. I'll just chamfer that. Oh, I don't need to, do I? So, what do I want to do now? Right, what I've got to do now is put 3 holes equally spaced, because it has like little ground plane legs. These little stainless steel wires come out like that as ground plane, so I'll do that back in a bit. Right, hello, welcome back. Right, I've drilled the holes around there, 8mm hole in there for the pipe, and what I've done for these things, I've got some where's it gone? I've got some brass hex bar, small. Got some small brass hex bar, so what I've done is I've drilled a hole through it, a tiny bit smaller than the actual piece of stainless, and then threaded it, and oh, where we are, pushed it through. I don't know if you can see that. Focus. So they'll now screw in. So that's that job done. So all I've got to do now, that's that bit up. That bit goes through there. What you'll do is you'll put this will now glue onto here. That'll be glued permanently. So to fit it all, you push the antenna down from the other end all the way through, connect that onto it, and then screw that up back. The only thing I've got to do now is put a little tiny screw in there, a grub screw on the flat to hold that still. So I've just got to mark where the flat is and do that. Oh, you're not in shot. So that's the next little job. So the flat's there. I'll screw that in. Typical, almost lines up with that. Right. So we want the hole just there. Let's see if I can get that a bit tighter actually. There you go. So the hole's got to be right on the edge there. And what I'll do is I'll put a small grub screw in there just to hold it on. Right, so the last little bit's left now. So those go on there. They'll screw in like that, 120 degrees apart, and there's another one, and then that will go on there. And the antenna up there. So there we go, nearly repaired. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute. Cheers. Right, the final piece of the puzzle. We'll glue this in now. Gorilla epoxy. Sets in 5 minutes. No, it doesn't. Guarantee it. enough getting the bloody stuff out. I don't know. And then stopping it coming out is a pain in the bum. Oh, the fun. Right. Oh, the gooiness. What I'm going to do, too bloody tall now. I'll put a bit around that, around there, around the base into the...
Good evening, US 8960 sending 220 with level move to B280 knots.
It's always a way, innit? You ain't got enough. Have to spread that out a bit. Bloody thing's too tall for my shed now. Right, that'll settle. Make sure it's not going up the insides. Alright. Jolly good. Right. Let that set. Where's my cloth gone? Right. Make sure that's up that way, otherwise it'll slip off while it's setting. Right. There we go then. Where are we? I'll put it together and show you when it's done. Cheers for a minute. Right, there we go. New base, wires, well, ground planes technically, and that's it. That's the new antenna. Repaired. Obviously the cable goes up inside there and you put clamps around here to fix it to something, so anyway, that's repaired. Little job, but thought you might like that. Cheers for now, see you next time.